What did he? What? Okay, okay. What's up, you guys? Rise and shine. It is me, of course. It's fairly early in the morning. It's really not early in the morning. It's 8:30. I'm usually up by like 6:45, 7 every day. Today is Saturday. But Miss Nova told me that's enough, so I need to get out of the bed. She's driving me crazy. Not really, but she over here yelling at me. Yeah, I figured I have a lot of stuff I need to get done this weekend, so I figured I'd bring y'all along with me. I know I want to try to redo my little recording space. And I got some little business stuff I need to take care of this weekend. And also I probably need to do something to my hair this weekend. So I figured I'd give it out to y'all. I'm thinking about doing, I'm trying to be more consistent on my channel. So I don't know if y'all noticed, but every Tuesday and Thursday I post a new video. And what I'm thinking about doing is where I just give y'all something extra, because I do like to still do stuff on my channel that includes y'all, or that y'all get a glimpse of what it is I actually do with myself throughout the day, whether it's a DIY project or try to sew something or do something. And I do know some people like to see that extra stuff or that self-care stuff. So I am going to keep that stuff on my channel, but I'll probably do it more on the weekends. And during the week, it'll be more focused on like my hairstyling, my business stuff. I think that's the direction that my channel is going to go in. I'm still trying to figure this thing out, but it is what it is. We could talk about that later. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and get up, let this dog outside, feed her, clean myself, and brush my teeth, because I have not brushed my teeth, but y'all can't smell my breath. Not just playing. I'm really not playing, but yeah, I'm about to get up, and I will catch y'all in a little bit.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one.
You want some? Ooh, you want some? Let's go. Come on, let's go. You want some of this bone? What you gonna do? What you gonna do for this bone? Sit down. You want this bone? You want some? You want some? Here you go, yeah.
Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should slide.
Actually, we had a change of plans, so I didn't wind up doing all the other stuff that I wanted to do. So I just kind of got dressed, and me and my babe went out to dinner.
Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10.
Then on Sunday, I actually just made my wig. I actually started feeling pretty sick, so I didn't get much else done. But this is how the weekend goes in my life. Okay, so this concludes my little mini vlog of my weekend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Bye.
If you let me put it down.